Good morning. We're back at Drupa on Monday, 3rd June, and we are in Hall 10 at the stand of Apex International, a great company based in the US, which has set up a huge demo center and training center and R&D center smack in the middle of India. And I'm here with the director of sales of Apex International, Mangesh Bise, who looks after sales for India, Middle East, and Asia Pacific. And Mangesh, good to see you at Drupa.
Thank you very much, Mr. Naresh. Yeah.
Okay, so I'd like to ask you a couple of questions so that we can talk about what you've been doing.
Yes.
So my first question is, how is the Indian market going? How have you gained traction with your technology in the Indian market?
For sure. In last probably 5 to 7 years, we have seen a drastic growth in Flexo market. So, as you know that graveyard industry, India has always been a graveyard dominated market. But we have seen a very good investment coming into Flexo, right from narrow web to wide web also. So we see a good market, and we entered into the market at the right time. So in India, we started our operations in 2018. Right. And initially, when we entered, we said that we will do. We don't want to take risks, and we'll just start initially with an label rolls, that is a small narrow web rolls. But eventually, at this point of time, in 2024, I can say that we are not only catering to label market, but wide web, offset, corrugated. So I see a immense potential into this basically in India, and basically Indian factory is our fifth facility in our global network. Yeah, so Apex is a Dutch company. We have headquarters in Harpert, Netherlands.
Okay, it's not a US company.
It's not a US company, and then we have. This is the fifth factory, which is mainly catering to Asia Pacific and Middle East market.
Excellent. Okay, because I know Flexo, CI Flexo, wide web Flexo has taken time to take off, but it's happening. And even the narrow web machines are now becoming mid-web, because people are doing sleeves and other kinds of flexible packaging on what used to be label presses. So you are finding traction in your, I suppose these are higher quality analoxes, special analoxes. These are metal, ceramic. What kind of analoxes are these?
These are the ceramic analoxes.
These are ceramic.
Yeah. The good part is that, of course, as the Flexo process is evolving, we have seen that there are many changes coming into. And industry, like when we talk about converting graveyard jobs to Flexo or getting Flexo is a very complex process. So it needs a lot of expertise into that. It's not a conventional process. And over a period of time, it's developing. There's more technologies coming in. A lot of value chain partners are, involved into this. And we need to understand a lot of advantages and benefits when it comes to sustainability, savings, profitability.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I know that Apex has made a wonderful investment near Nasik in a demo center, training center, R&D, and data collection and knowledge transfer. How is that center going? What's happening there?
Absolutely, that is the best part what we have in India. So we started with the center, and the idea is basically to be with the value chain partners and drive the Flexo industry forward. And this concept is we are having a center called Flexo Kite, where we used to have an BOPS machine, which is a part of an R&D, where we help converters to test, run, do all the sort of a mock-up test and all. We also have a training center where auditorium where 150 people can of course there. And what we do is that right from initial investment to getting into a specialized application or training to the operators and everything, what we can do it to enhance and support offering. So we are just not an product supplier to the industry, but we are a solution provider.
I believe it's the fifth center in the world. How is the utilization? Are people coming there? Are people visiting?
Yes, we are doing a lot of joint events together with our other value partners, and we keep calling. We just recently conducted an Repro suppliers meet where we invited all the Repro suppliers from India to come forward, exchange of ideas and exchange of their thought process how to take this forward, technology.
That's great, because I know that it's not enough to sell hardware and firmware. Absolutely, you have to sell soft software.
Yes.
Because that's what's missing in India. People sell product,
Yes.
but they don't support it with all the other add-ons, the webinars, the seminars, the
Absolutely,
discussion, the training.
Yeah.
So you're filling that gap for Flexo, which is very much needed.
sure, yeah.
What is it that you're showing new at Drupa?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, this year the message is, of course, industry is talking about sustainability, consistency, profitability, and competitions are high. So we always are having a unique product in our portfolio, which is we call it the GTT. So this GTT is not new to the industry, of course. This been introduced 10 years back, but we have evolved the technology over the years. So presently we have, like if you see, these are the sample rows here, but if you see,
These are the analogs rolls.
these are the analogs rows, ceramic analogs, but the challenge is what the industry is facing about, like when they print white, to improve the opacity, to have very good gloss levels, to have savings in terms of ink grammages, to have consistency over the job. So that is what everything we can offer through the technology. Yeah. So when it comes to GTT, is an open channel technology where you don't have a conventional honeycomb pattern, and where the ink is flowing
Between the cells.
between the channels, and because of that you have less turbulence within the analogs, and the ink metering is very smooth. Yeah.
Okay. So that's what you're showing new at Drupa.
Exactly.
What does GTT stand for?
Genetic transfer technology.
Genetic transfer technology. Okay, wonderful.
We have GTT 2.0 version, so
Okay.
this is more more calibrated, more advanced, and
So new at Drupa 2024 is GTT 2.0.
2.0, yes, and we have now a wide profiles of GTT, but also we have acquired 2 more companies, so in our portfolio. So we have extending our reach to embossing industry as well, embossing rotary screen also. So we have acquired Keller Dorian company from France. Is one of the known people into embossing technology. So we are now getting into that with our products are that is also we are going to introduce in this Drupa.
So that means Apex International is growing.
Growing, yes.
It's,
Globally we are growing.
It's
yes.
acquiring other companies and
Yes.
investing. Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for covering us.